Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about growing this beautiful plant called powderpuff, also known as Calliandra. Powderpuff is a big flowering tree that grows in warmer climate areas, and they have these beautiful puffy flowers. They're very unique. I have this red one. They also come in many other colors. In the ground, they can grow pretty big, but you can grow them in a container and keep them in a smaller size. They bloom really well and they attract a lot of butterflies, sunbirds and hummingbirds in the garden. The unique thing about this plant is that it is related to the pea family. My plant is quite old. I had it for many years. It is probably 10 to 12 years old or maybe more than that. And this plant just keeps blooming all year round without any kind of maintenance. I don't even fertilize it regularly and it just keeps blooming throughout the year. There was a big cyclone which damaged my plant really bad, but it's still doing fine and blooming really well. These are evergreen plants and they flower time to time in mostly all seasons throughout the year, and especially during the warm seasons. You can grow them in a container very easily. They won't grow too big and they can be easily maintained. You can choose at least a 10 to 12 inch container to grow them so they can grow big. They prefer a sunny location. They will flower a lot if they receive around 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight, but you can also grow them in partial shade. Just give them minimum 5 to 6 hours of sunlight so they can bloom well. This plant produces seed. This is how the seeds look like. You can also grow them from seed. I will show you. Here are some seedlings that are growing from the seeds that dropped. I will be repotting them later. You can choose a moist, well-draining soil to plant them. They're very hardy plants, so they will grow in any kind of soil. If you are growing them in a container, then mix good quality compost with it. As fertilizer, you can give them organic liquid fertilizer like mustard cake liquid fertilizer every 10 days. And in 1 or 2 months gap, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of bone meal. You don't need to add any fertilizer during the winter season. During spring and summer, add a layer of compost and that will be enough. You can repot them and change the soil every 2 years. Water them regularly, especially during the hot weather. Keep the soil moist. You can reduce watering during the winter months, that is their dormant period. They can get attacked by pests. My plant get a lot of mealybug attack, so spray them with any organic pesticide if you see any pest problems. Mealybug is the major pest that I faced. I don't face any other pest problems. You should remove the dry flowers after they're finished blooming. It will keep the plant clean and it will keep the pest away. That is all you need to do to grow these plants. I will say this is one of the easiest plants that I have grown in my garden. It's been an amazing plant for so many years. You can grow them very easily. So plant them, enjoy, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. I will see you next time. Bye.